Okay, I was sitting here and I was doing the finishing touches on the bottle and realized when I come back and the bottle looks different, that's not going to upset people, but wonder, what the heck did you do? So just so that you know, I'm in the stippling part. And it's kind of hard to do on video. But anyway, if you notice, there's a lot more white or light. I put the Mod Podge on the lid. So I'm now primering the lid. It's on crooked. It doesn't matter. I'll take it off. That's drying so that I can cover it with black paint and then move on to embellishments and so forth. But what I'm doing right now is nothing more than stippling. So all this that you see, I'm just doing a lot of stippling on the actual bottle to make it look like my mom was a potter. And she used to do a pottery technique called raku. This kind of reminds me of raku, just the black bottle with the grays and the purples. Anyway, all I'm doing is taking a very dry stencil brush, touching it in paint very slightly, keeping, very minimal paint on it, and tapping it. And it is creating this raku type looking, like you can see I did a lot over here. And the reason that I'm doing it is because it makes the bottle look aged, but also I used a lot of the light gray and it really made the bottle pop more because the image is dark. So we're doing a little bit of contrasting to try to make the image a little bit more a lighter bottle so that it's gothy and moody, but at the same time it's not too dark. Versus the back, which is all black. It's a nice chalk. The chalk paints are dynamite for aging because it just gives it that like rough finish. But anyway, this is all I'm doing so that when I come back, I'm just kind of hammering this on with various colors. There's some rhyme to my reason, but basically I'm just putting this on to get it this kind of blended, aged, and that's what I'm doing that I didn't do. And it's okay, like that you get this really white spot. Well, that's great because it's the imperfections that give it its authentic, aged, seasoned kind of look. Look, when I see something that's got too much of one color, just go in there and tap it. That's it. We're just tapping, 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 tapping hard. The more you tap in the same place, the more it blends. The less you tap, and when you just hit it, this had a lot of paint on it. This was right after I dabbed it, had the most paint. When I hit it hard, it put a lot there. So that's why practice makes perfect. That's why it takes time for you to understand your muscle memory, your application, how hard you hit something, how soft you hit something. I'm showing you how to do it. The practice is what comes with. You can see how it changes the bottle. Put light here, it looks like there's more light, like maybe she's outside, and that's some sky coming through. So do it till you like it, wherever, but that's why when I come back, from the last video, it's the imperfections. I'm not going for anything in particular. I'm just going where my heart and mind tell me to go, and this is what's happening, and that's how it should be for you. That's where your beauty comes from.